Hi, Kaizen Sensei here once again to give you some instructions on Lean Principles 1 of 5. And we're going to cover who your customer is and what the customer values. Now, once you identified who your customer is, which could be anyone, it could be a family member, could be the business, could be the boss and the coworker, but right now what we're going to do is we're going to concentrate on the consumer, your client. And the best way you can find out what your customer wants or need is to listen to them. And that information is put into a category called Voice of the Customer, or VOC. Now from that, you will determine what product and services that they want and the quality standards and specifications that's critical to meet your customers' wants and need. Because that critical to quality specifications will actually determine the value of your product and services. And as I explained in my past video, value is determined as a product or service that the customer or consumer needs, wants urgently, possibly now, and is willing to pay for, okay? Providing that it's delivered perfectly, on time, hassle and defects free. Okay? So there you have it. Customer and value. I know there's a lot more to it, but I just want to give you a little bit of snapshot. In my next videos, I'm going to cover 4 through 5, and then you'll get a kind of like a big, gigantic picture of what lean manufacturing is, the English version of Toyota Production System. So if you like what you see, be sure to go and hit the like button, comment below, and share with everyone else. In the meantime, please be safe, please be happy and healthy and well. Kaizen Sensei signing off. Hope to see you soon.